As a biology of trauma professional, as well as a survivor, I love this. These sounds aren't random. They are used by mothers all over the world to soothe their babies. And these universal sounds can actually stabilize the nervous system by promoting a reduced heart rate and slower breathing. They can lead to calm relaxation for both infants and adults. I have used these sounds personally when I felt overwhelmed and anxious. They are powerful tools that are simple to use whenever anxiety strikes. Try them for yourself and let me know what you think in the comments. And be sure to follow for more trauma-informed healing education.